Did you know that what you eat can significantly impact your brain health? According to the World Health Organization, neurological disorders, including Alzheimer's and other dementias, affect millions worldwide and are on the rise. In fact, it's estimated that over 50 million people globally are living with dementia, and this number is projected to triple by 2050. Shocking, right? Readings from Dr. Sydney Brokes. Today we're going to expose the hidden risks that may be included in your diet and are responsible for these concerning figures. Stay tuned as we present the best foods to avoid damage to your brain and offer advice on how to keep your brain healthy. Number 1. Trans fats. Trans fats are well known for their detrimental effects on the brain. They can be found in hydrogenated oils including vegetable oil, margarine, and many processed foods. By adding hydrogen to liquid oils, these artificial fats become more solid and have a longer shelf life. This is bad news for your brain, even though it might be fantastic for food makers. Trans fats are absorbed by your brain's cell membranes, which causes them to become less pliable and more prone to inflammation. Prolonged inflammation of the brain can cause major problems, such as a low-level, ongoing fire that gradually destroys brain tissue. Trans fats dramatically raise the risk of cognitive decline in disorders like Alzheimer's. According to studies, they cause abnormal brain cell processes to be disrupted, hinder neuronal communication, and aid in the accumulation of beta-amyloid plaques, which are a defining feature of Alzheimer's disease. Fortunately, you may cut back on trans fat by eliminating baked products, processed foods, and fast food that contains hydrogenated oils. Instead, use extra virgin coconut oil, which is high in medium-chain triglycerides and promotes synaptic connections and brain function when cooking. Number 2. Fish high in mercury. One heavy element that can seriously harm the brain is mercury. Certain fish species, such as sharks, swordfish, king mackerel, and several varieties of tuna, have high mercury content. These fish have hidden risks, even if their flavor and protein levels make them popular. Mercury builds up in the body and brain, attacking the central nervous system and causing damage to vital regions such as the cerebral cortex and cerebellum. This can lead to memory loss, difficulty concentrating, and impaired motor skills. However, you can still enjoy seafood safely by choosing fish lower in mercury, like wild-caught salmon, sardines, and anchovies. These fish are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain health. Additionally, detoxify your body from mercury by including cilantro, chancellor, and walnuts in your diet. These foods help remove heavy metals and support brain function. Number 3. Sugary foods. Everyone enjoys a good dessert, but have you ever considered the potential neurological effects of sugar-filled foods? High sugar consumption causes insulin resistance, which hinders the brain's absorption of glucose and depletes your neurons' energy supply. This leads to impaired concentration, bad memory, and brain fog. Consuming a lot of sugar can also cause inflammation in the brain, which can worsen cognitive function and raise the risk of Alzheimer's. Many foods contain hidden sugars, so be wary of substances like fruit concentrates, maltodextrin, and high-fructose corn syrup. Reduce your consumption of sugar-filled foods and beverages and concentrate on eating full, nutrient-dense foods to safeguard your brain. Choose naturally sweet fruits like apples and berries, which are high in fiber and antioxidants. Number 4. Fast foods. A lot of fast food is prepared with hydrogenated oils, which are high in trans fats and bad for the brain. When trans fats are consumed in excessive quantities, the brain becomes inflamed, which results in cellular damage and cognitive impairment. Additionally, trans fats have been connected to an increased risk of diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and dementia. These lipids are involved in the production of AGEs, or advanced glycation end products, which speed up the aging process of the brain by causing oxidative stress. Eat less fast food and cook at home using healthy oils like avocado, extra virgin coconut, or olive. These fats lower inflammation, which benefits brain health. Rich in good fats, avocados are also a great brain food that improves cognitive performance. Number 5. High glycemic foods. Sugary and refined carbohydrate diets are examples of high glycemic foods that might raise blood sugar levels and cause cognitive issues. Blood sugar fluctuations might have an impact on your energy and cognitive abilities. High blood sugar levels have been linked to insulin resistance over time, which increases the risk of diabetes and neurological conditions, including Alzheimer's. Avoid clear of high glycemic items like pastries, sugary cereals, and white bread. Instead, choose foods high in fiber, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes to help maintain brain function and control blood sugar. Number 6. Iron-fortified foods. Many nations fortify their foods with iron. However, the basic iron utilized in these protection is poorly absorbed, resulting in an excess of unbound iron in the blood. This overload of iron can lead to oxidative stress, which damages brain neurons and raises the risk of neurological diseases including Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Aim to limit your intake of foods enhanced with iron to safeguard your brain. Select naturally occurring iron-rich foods like leafy greens, seafood, and lean meats. Iron-rich meals can be better absorbed when vitamin C-rich foods are consumed alongside them. Number 7. Alcohol. Drinking causes damage to the brain's dendrites, which are the branching extensions of neurons that carry messages from one cell to another. Alcohol-related dementia and cognitive deficits can result from long-term alcohol consumption. Additionally, alcohol depletes important minerals such as thiamine or vitamin B1, which is required for brain function. Drink alcohol in moderation to safeguard your brain. Refuel your brain by including brain-boosting foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and lean meats in your diet. Frequent exercise also promotes blood flow and neurogenesis, which can help lessen the effects of alcohol on the brain. Number 8. Soy. Many meals contain soy, but it also contains anti-nutrients like phytic acid, which prevents the body from absorbing vital minerals like zinc. Zinc is necessary for healthy brain function and helps to stop the buildup of amyloid plaque, which is linked to Alzheimer's disease. Because soy contains isoflavones, which simulate oestrogen and throw off hormonal balance, consuming a lot of soy can cause cognitive problems. To promote brain health, cut back on soy and increase your intake of zinc-rich foods like shellfish, pumpkin seeds, and Alaskan crab. Number 9. Soda. Chlorine acid, which is abundant in soda, prevents your body from absorbing vital minerals like calcium and magnesium. A magnesium shortage might result in mood swings and memory issues. Magnesium is essential for brain function. Reduced brain density and oxidative stress have also been related to high soda consumption. Cut back on soda consumption to save your brain. Make better beverage choices and concentrate on eating foods high in nutrients that promote mental well-being. Number 10. Iron tablets. Elemental iron, which is frequently found in iron tablets, can lead to oxidative stress and inflammation, especially in the brain. A surplus of iron can cause dangerous free radicals to be produced, which can injure brain tissue and speed up the aging process. Choose naturally occurring iron sources instead of synthetic ones, like spleen extracts or liver fed on grass, as they are simpler for the body to absorb. This can assist in maintaining normal blood and brain function without the unfavorable consequences of taking iron supplements. If you think this video was useful, please hit the bell icon for more health-related advices, subscribe to our channel, and give it a thumbs up. I appreciate you watching, and see you later.